Meet Alex, a motivated individual ready to embark on a journey to make money by selling AI spokesperson videos on Fiverr. Alex eagerly sits at their desk, fired up and ready to take action. Alex opens their web browser and excitedly types in Fiverr.com to get started. Creating an account on Fiverr is a breeze for Alex. With a few clicks and some basic information, they become a proud member of the Fiverr community. With their brand new Fiverr account, Alex takes a moment to gather their thoughts and plan their path to success. Alex grabs a pen and paper, eager to outline the steps they need to follow. Define your services. Think about what type of AI spokesperson videos you want to offer. It could be anything from explainer videos to product reviews or even fun promotional videos. Find your niche and excel in it. Set competitive pricing. Take a peek at what other sellers on Fiverr are charging for similar services. Price your offerings competitively to attract customers while ensuring you're fairly compensated for your hard work. Create an irresistible gig description. Time to let your creativity flow. Craft a compelling description that showcases your expertise and highlights the benefits customers will receive from your AI spokesperson videos. Make it so good they can't resist. Showcase your skills with video samples. Show, don't just tell. Prepare a portfolio of sample videos to flaunt your talent.
So, that was a video to showcase a spokesperson work where you can make passive income by selling these videos on Fiverr.com. Follow these steps and start making money. Thanks for watching.